Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Before we get into this video, I like to give a whoop whoop to Diana. You were the first to comment on one of my videos, so girl, I see you see me, so I want people to see you, so whoop whoop to you. So you guys, okay guys, so really quick I have to do a voiceover because I forgot to tell you what I'm doing with my hair. What I'm going to be doing with my hair today is just showing you guys the way that I love to actually apply my heat protectant when I'm going to do a blowout or a blow dry or put heat on my hair, period. Because I do live in a fifth wheel, it is a little bit more difficult for me to actually apply my products the way that I like to and the routine that I'm going to show you guys in this video. So if you're interested in the way that I love to keep my hair detangled and making sure that my hair is stretched to the max, then just keep watching this video. Okay guys, so pretty much what I do with my hair is rinse out any leave-in conditioner that I have in my hair. My hair is already thoroughly detangled. So this is what I love to do when I actually have water that's continuously running and is actually going to stay hot and I'm in a normal shower. So this is how I like to prep my hair for any type of blow dry, or if I know that I'm putting my heat on my hair. This is the way that I love to prepare my hair. So I like to thoroughly detangle my hair under running water. If you guys have been here for a long time, you guys know how I always showed myself combing my hair or detangling my hair under running water because my hair gets clumped and tangled on itself. And the best and fastest and easiest way for me to detangle my hair is to detangle and comb out my hair under running water, and it's also really safe. I have less breakage this way, but if your hair does not like to be detangled like this, then do what works for your hair. But a lot of you guys ask me how I wash my hair because I have so much hair, how I wash it not in sections, and this is literally how I wash my hair in sections. So this way I'm showing you right now is how I currently have to prep my hair in my shower when I'm at home. Obviously, you guys, I'm not at home, so I'm just going to show you guys the difference. So I'm spraying in my Tresemme, I think that's Tresemme heat protectant, and I'm going to braid my hair all the way down without the water running on my hair. And I want you guys just to see how much of a struggle it is when I'm trying to braid my hair without the water running over my hair. So you guys have seen me braid my hair quite a few times, but this is, this way have been working. I haven't gotten heat damage, but it just takes a little bit longer for me to actually successfully braid my hair down when the water isn't constantly running one way on my hair. My hair likes to try to revert really fast, and then as you guys can see, I'm kind of pulling upward on my braid, and that's because I am trying to get the frizz and the bulk out of my hair. So I have to kind of pull up and put tension on my hair and continuously pull my hands down the length of my hair to make sure that my hair stays stretched and it stays straight as possible, and I'm not knotting my hair up, because if you knot your hair up, then it's going to suck when you try to take down your braids when they're dry. So it takes a lot more effort when I am trying to prep my hair without the water running on my hair. So that's why I like to braid my hair with the water running on my hair. But as you guys can see how my hair is already reverting, is already kind of getting tangled. My hair reverts so fast, you guys, it's not even funny. So I'm going to continue this process on the right side of my head, spraying my heat protectant in my hair. This is not the normal heat protectant I normally use, but because I think they sold out or just stopped selling the heat protectant that I normally use, I just settled for this particular heat protectant. So I'm going to let you guys watch me finish the rest of this side, and then I'll come back in here in a bit. Okay, so now that I have successfully braided the right side of my head, I'm going to wash my deep conditioner out of the left side of my hair and show you guys how to really get your hair as stretched as possible and to braid your hair a lot faster. The right side, it took me about 15 minutes to braid my hair with those 3 braids, and the left side of my hair, it only took me about 5 minutes to braid my hair because I thoroughly detangle my hair under running water. I part my hair with the water running on my hair, and as you guys can see how much easier that was for me to part my hair, and then I start braiding my hair with my hair running under the water. You guys, I think the weight of the water on my hair just really helps it keep it stretched. Obviously, your hair is not going to revert with water constantly running on your hair. My water is about warm, a little bit more than warm. I do not wash my hair with cold water because I have low porosity hair. But as you guys can see how much faster I am braiding my hair down. Like, I don't have to continuously run my hand down the length of my hair, and I don't have to try to force my hair to be in a downward smooth motion. Like, I really hope I'm making sense in this video. Like, if you're having tangled problems when you are blow drying your hair or about to blow dry your hair or needing to put your hair in braids when it's wet, you really should try this method of braiding your hair under running water. I know that is kind of a waste of water, but if you're having problems with matting and tangling, this is a major key in keeping my hair very, very well detangled and making sure that my hair stays stretched. Um, yeah, you guys, like, and then as you guys are seeing, I'm not putting a heat protectant on my hair right now because the water is just continuously running over my hair and it just washed the heat protectant out. So instead, what I do is spray the heat protectant on my hair after I get the braids installed in my hair, and then after my braids are dry, when I am blow drying my hair or gonna style my hair, then I will spray more heat protectant on my hair. Now, if I wasn't doing a blow drying, like a blow drying style, and I needed to braid my hair under running water, I will put oil on my hair because all of the oil will not wash out of your hair. But after I get all of my hair braided under running water, then I will squeeze the leave-in conditioner or the product in my hair so that I know that my hair is very well moisturized. But if I'm braiding my hair like this and I'm not doing a blowout or blow dry my hair or trying to straighten my hair, I will add a lot of oil to my hair at this point while I'm detangling, and then I will braid my hair and the oil will still be in my hair just to make sure that my hair is thoroughly moisturized. So I hope, like I said, these are some great tips. If you're having matting problems, tangling problems, make sure you are braiding your hair under running water, and then hopefully that will help you with the detangling process when you take your braids out. I will have to say the right side of my hair that I did not braid my hair under the running water was a lot tangled when I took out my braids and had to blow dry my hair. It was a lot more tangled, but you guys just stay tuned for my updated blow dry video, and that will be the end of this video. But you can see the difference in length, and like I said, you guys, since I am going to be blow drying my hair, I am putting my heat protectant on my hair. And y'all, I've saturated my hair with heat protectant, and then I'm also going to use the Live product because I normally use a cream leave-in conditioner. So I knew my hair needed a little bit more moisture because I do have type 4 hair and my hair is very dry, so I needed a little bit more moisture in my hair. My sister-in-law Tiara gave me this Leave product. I don't necessarily care for the smell, but I will have to say it did moisturize my hair, and you see how I'm squeezing in my product, like my quote unquote leave-in conditioner. So yeah, you guys, this is how I successfully detangle my hair and keep my hair stretched.